Hi guys, here's a tutorial for how you can change your notifications in Google Classroom. If you see here, this is my dashboard. So you'll see all the classrooms that I'm enrolled in and also the ones I'm co-teaching and the ones that I set up myself. So that's my main one there. So it can look like a lot, but if you go over to this left-hand side, the hamburger menu by where it says Google Classrooms, and then you're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom where it says Settings. Once you click on that, the Settings page is going to come up. There's a place just random where you can set up a profile picture. I've not been able to do that, so if anyone knows how to do that, please let me know. And then I already opened all these up. So you can receive email notifications if you want. Oh, let me get rid of focus. We don't really need that anymore, do we? So you can get rid of all email notifications by just clicking like that. But you may want to get email notifications. I don't really like getting emails because we get so many emails to begin with. So what I really like doing is because that's like too much. If you scroll down to the class notifications, then you can toggle on and off the classrooms that you want. So Miss Houston put me in a class. I think she put like almost everyone in class. So I wanted notifications from there so that if she posts anything, I can see that on my mobile notifications. The same with I'm in the district grade 6 math teacher. So if anyone posts or comments there, I can see it right away. Same with my own classroom. So that means that I get to see notifications for my own classroom on my phone and for email. I don't really like that it's for email and for my phone, but it is what it is. And then if you toggle these class notifications, those are different than your email notifications. So if you toggle these off, these are for the classes that I teach. I shouldn't get any more emails, and all I'll get are the mobile notifications. Now, I'm doing that because I've got Google Classroom on my phone, and I find it's much easier to respond to students when they message me on my phone than it is on my desktop. So that's why I do that. Classes I'm enrolled in, if I want emails there, I could also do that. I could also have emails for any comments or posts, but I check pretty regularly, so I'm not going to. So I'm going to go ahead and toggle all those off. So if I've done this correct, I should only be getting some mobile notifications from the classes that I'm teaching or those 2 that I'm enrolled in. I hope that this was helpful for you guys, and because it's not really where I always thought it should be like in the classroom, but it's actually more global, which I think is kind of nice. That's it. Bye.